look kind of scary. Not in my comfort zone, guys. Not. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Sweet Pink Home. Anyway, welcome to our Boxycharm review.
Life of the party!
Life of the party.
Oh, look, yeah. These are so tiny. These are little, like, lashes. The first thing here is House of Lashes Boudoir Minis, which look really cute and small, which is nice because we don't go anywhere where we need to wear big fancy lashes.
And they're from $9 to $12.
Chocolate.
Chocolate eyeliner.
Ooh. Chocolate. Yeah, these are good fancy.
Okay, so I haven't been partying too hard, so I'm going to save these for a day that I party. When I have big under eye circles. And not...
I need that. Odessa, New York. Organic infused age-defying nail treatment essentials. Sweet almond cuticle. I need that.
Hope you enjoyed our August Boxycharm review. We were really looking forward to this one because
of this palette in particular.
Right there.
Because I knew about it too soon.
Super excited. Anyway, guys, like I said, these colors aren't normally in my comfort zone, but I kind of like they're starting to get to me kind of for my liking.
So basically, I put hungover all over her lid, and then I blended it out with damage control, and I put a little bit of karaoke in the crease to deepen it a teeny tiny bit as much as I could, and then I put It's a Party on her waterline, but you can't tell because hungover.